You check your bank account, and it's almost empty again. Now imagine opening it and seeing $10,000 saved. Sounds impossible? It's not, and I'm going to show you exactly how people in the US are doing it faster than you think. Let's be honest, saving money feels hard, especially in the USA, where rent is high, food prices keep rising, and subscriptions silently drain your bank account. Most people live paycheck to paycheck not because they're careless, but because they don't have a clear system. You might be thinking, I barely save $100 a month, how can I ever reach $10,000? That's exactly the problem. No strategy, no structure, and no urgency. But here's the truth, saving 10K fast is possible, even on an average income, if you follow a focused plan. Instead of trying to save randomly, we're going to use a three-part strategy. 1. Increase your saving rate. 2. Cut hidden expenses aggressively. 3. Boost your income temporarily. This is not about being perfect, it's about being intentional for a short period. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Set a deadline and break it down. First, decide your timeline. Let's say you want to save $10,000 in 6 months. That means $10,000, 6. About $1,667 per month. Now it feels real. Now it's a mission. Step 2. Track every dollar. Yes, every dollar. For the next 30 days, track all your spending. Use apps or just a simple note. You'll quickly notice things like $200 on eating out, $50 on unused subscriptions, $100 on impulse shopping. Awareness alone can save you hundreds. Step 3. Cut expenses. Aggressively. Temporary sacrifice. This is where most people fail. They try to save without cutting anything. For the next few months, cook at home instead of eating out. Pause subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, etc. Reduce shopping and entertainment. Even saving an extra $500 a month from cuts makes a huge difference. Step 4. Increase your income. Fast wins, cutting helps, but increasing income is the real accelerator. Try these. Freelancing, writing, design, editing, part-time gigs, Uber, DoorDash, delivery, selling unused items at home, online side hustles, AI content, digital products. Even an extra $1,000 a month can cut your timeline in half. Step 5. Automate your savings. Open a separate savings account and automatically transfer money every week. This removes temptation. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Step 6. Use the 50-30-20 rule, modified. Normally it's 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. But for your goal, flip it. 60% needs, 10% wants, 30% plus savings. This short-term adjustment creates momentum. Example, let's take a simple example. Meet John. He earns $4,000 per month. Before, $1,800 rent, $800 food and eating out, $600 shopping and entertainment, $300 subscriptions and random. Savings, $500. After applying this strategy, cuts eating out, saves $300. Cancels subscriptions, saves $100, reduces shopping, saves $300, starts side hustle, earns $800 extra. Now John saves $500 original, plus $700 cuts, on $800 extra income. $2,000 month in just 5 months John hits $10,000. No magic, just focus. Now here's the important part, don't just watch this video and forget it. Take action today. 1. Set your 10K deadline. Track your spending for the next 7 days. Cut at least one expense immediately. Start one income stream this week. If you follow this system, you won't just save $10,000, you'll build a habit that can change your financial life. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment 10K below. I'll reply with more strategies to help you grow your money faster. Let's make your first $10,000 happen.